Welcome back to A Taste of K. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make some fried catfish. Here is the list of ingredients I'll be using. I have catfish fillet, yellow mustard, creole seasoning, hot sauce, salt and pepper, about 1 cup of all-purpose flour, as well as cornmeal, parsley flakes, as well as vegetable oil to fry the catfish in. In this mixing bowl, I have some clean catfish fillet. I did clean it out with some lime juice. I rinsed out the lime juice and made sure I pat it dry. Now I'm adding yellow mustard, hot sauce, creole seasoning, as well as salt and pepper. I'm going to lightly season this because I'll be adding some of the same seasoning to the flour mixture. After adding all of these ingredients, I'm going to make sure that each catfish is coated with this marinade. I'll cover and place it in the fridge for about an hour to allow it to marinate. Before I coat it with the flour and cornmeal mixture, I'll allow it to get to room temperature. After the catfish fillets have been marinating in the fridge for an hour, I did remove it and place it on the counter to allow it to get back to room temperature. Now I'm going to make the flour and cornmeal mixture. I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cornmeal, creole seasoning, salt and pepper, as well as parsley flakes. For easy cleanup, I'm going to go ahead and place this mixture in a Ziploc bag. I'll shake it to make sure that all of the ingredients are well incorporated. To coat the catfish fillet, I'm going to place 1 catfish fillet in the Ziploc bag, close it, and just give it a quick shake. This will ensure that the catfish fillet is completely covered with this seasoned mixture. I have some vegetable oil that has been heating in this pan. I did do a quick test with the flour mixture to see if the oil was hot enough. Now I'm going to place 2 catfish fillet in the oil. I'm gonna allow it to fry for about 4 minutes on one side, and then I'll flip it to the second side and allow it to fry for another 4 minutes. The time it takes to completely cook depends on the thickness. After frying the first batch of the catfish, I'm going to place it on a wire rack just to allow the excess oil to drain while I fry the second batch. Here's the finished product of the fried catfish. If you'd like to see what I serve this with, go ahead and watch to the end of the video. I want to take this time to say thank you for stopping by A Taste of K. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that now. I'll see you in the next video.